Hey tubers, how's it going? Dusty about choked on a chicken wing, I guess. All right, hey, I'm here, and they're saying it's like 20 degrees this morning. Now this is like 2 days after the snowstorm, so we got like 2.5 inches. The big stuff missed us. Actually, probably didn't even need the tire chains if I was willing to just sit long enough. But they did make it handy for getting up and down the road, because this is actually the only section that's still frozen. It always is the tail of the dog. But you know, since I got you here, I actually did a little prepping for the storm. Woo! I did a little prepping for the storm myself, and part of that was getting my generator. I just pulled it out and threw it in the back of the truck in case I needed it to use the electric chainsaw somewhere on the road. Not necessary. But you know, everybody likes a cold start video, so we got a champion generator here. 20 degrees, so things are pretty good and frozen. Now this generator, wow, these knots really are frozen. Actually has about, I would say, 2,500 hours on it. Wow, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that knot undone. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get that knot undone. Alright, it's coming. It's coming. But it is frozen. It's like that frozen orange juice. It's not totally solid, but it's so hard you can't really roll with it the way you should. That was just to keep it from shifting around when I drove. Let's see, there's another board over here. This one's a little looser. All right, let's get this off the top. Ooh. Well, you can definitely see it's cold here. Yeah, that looks about level. What do you think? I'm going to say 2 pulls. Switch on. Choke. Gas. 1, 2. It took 3. Not bad. I mean, really, come on. The weather says it's 20 degrees right now, and 3 pulls started this thing up. It's been sitting out overnight. It was in the teens. I'm impressed. There is no sense in me running it. I just wanted to start it in the cold because I needed a YouTube video. Well, yeah, I think I can walk it through here without slipping on the ice and killing myself. Let's try. Let's try. Let's see if we can't get the right angle on this thing so you can see everything that happens. Yeah, that might be about right. Whenever you're moving something heavy, it's always a good idea to get the landing spot made first.